Snitch on, uncovered. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive deep into a phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in day-to-day conversations. Yes, we're talking about snitch on. Let's discover its meaning and how to use it. Snitch on is a slang phrase that means to inform or tell on someone, usually in relation to a wrongdoing or a rule that has been broken. Imagine you have a secret, and someone tells that secret to others. That person has snitched on you. The person who does the telling is often referred to as a snitch. Example: Tom ate the last piece of cake and didn't admit it, but Jenny snitched on him to their mother. The word snitch, as a noun referring to an informer, has been in use since the late 18th century. The verb form, to snitch, meaning to inform on someone, came into use in the 20th century. The exact origins are a bit murky, but it's believed to have roots in the criminal underworld, where loyalty is prized and informing or snitching can be dangerous. Knowing synonyms can help in understanding the nuance of a phrase. Here are some: rat out, inform on, tell on, betray, tattle. While all these phrases have similar meanings, their usage can depend on the context. For instance, tattle is often used in a more childish context. Example: little Sarah tattled on her brother for taking her toy. To truly understand a phrase, it's great to see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. I can't believe you'd snitch on me after promising to keep my secret. 2. If you break the rules, someone might snitch on you to the teacher. 3. In many crime movies, there's always a fear that someone will snitch on the main character to the police. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, snitch on. It's a colorful phrase with deep roots in the language, and now you can confidently use it in conversations. Hope this was enlightening. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of English.